Wiper blades are an important safety feature on your vehicle that can often get overlooked in your routine maintenance appointment. Over time and use, the edge of your wiper blades will develop small cracks and irregularities. Most vehicle and wiper manufacturers suggest replacing your wiper blades every 12 months. There are two ways to see if you need to replace your wipers. The first way is to look down your wipers, see if you see any cracks or any deformities like this one, and that's a good indicator that you need to replace your wipers. The second way to check the performance of your wiper blades is the spray method. You simply spray your windshield and allow the blades to perform one full cycle. If you see streaks, it's a good indicator that you need to replace your wipers. The first step to replacing your wiper blades is to know what size that they are. You'll need a tape measure. So you just pull your windshield wiper up, measure top to bottom. Make sure you measure both wipers or they'll be both different sizes. We're going to show you how to attach the new beam clip wipers. These are used in all the newer Subarus. Once you unpackage your wipers, you'll see there are two plastic slides and a button up top. On the metal arm, there are two little grooves. You just slide it right in and it'll clip right on. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned to see more ways on how to make your maintenance at home easy and effortless. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more with Berman Subaru of Chicago.